Wagwan everyone, it's Chef Nini's Kitchen where I teach you how to make delicious dishes from around the world with nutrition tips and smart food shopper hacks along the way. So I want you to just, tell us what we're going to be making today.
We're making baklava with pistachio from the scratch.
Yes.
I mean, we do with filo pastry. I mean, I'm not making the
Filo pastry.
So
Yes.
now we're going to start very simple baklava. I had here melty butter, and here
Pistachios.
pistachio. So let's get started. And a little stick to roll it, basically.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to put just slightly a butter on filo pastry, just to make the pistachio work stick. But normally it stick without doing anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to spread the pistachio like this. Here, sheets. We roll it like this.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's why the stick is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see that filo pastry make me
Okay.
just very gently. And the end, I put just slightly because to get the filo stick together. Okay.
Wow.
Here you go. And then we do that.
That's how they make it.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Can I try? I want to try this.
Yeah, try it. Okay.
So,
Just be careful, be very gentle.
Spread?
Spread
Okay.
the...
oh my god, I'm so excited, guys.
Yeah.
My boyfriend absolutely loves Auntie Gigi's baklava. So do I.
Okay. Just a little. Don't
too
go
much.
too much.
Okay.
Just a little.
Okay.
Because those filo is not like we make a dough of a baklava. Is more stronger than filo pastry.
Okay.
But in the future, we will do it together and then do from the scratch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
That is just quick things.
Okay. And then you spread it.
Okay, spread it, my dear. Don't go to the edge because that is the...
Okay.
Here you can, but
So
here you need to leave a little bit.
Okay. See, guys, I make mistakes, so you don't have to. Okay. A little bit more?
Yeah, here is a little bit more.
A little bit more on that side. Hold on. I actually like a lot of pistachios, to be fair, Auntie.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, now you put your stick there, slowly.
Yeah.
It's too teeny, and then when you try to remove it, you see how I've done.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm actually making baklava. This is exciting.
Yeah, it's easy. What do you think?
And it's really easy.
Yeah, yeah. Slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah. That's it.
That's
it. And then remove it slowly. Wow. Okay.
My little baklava. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Okay.
All right. Forgot to...
Yeah. Okay, so you put butter at the bottom of the pan.
Yeah.
Okay. Was there any like special dishes that you learnt from your mum when you was younger?
You know, my mom never let us cook.
Really?
She hated. We never get into the kitchen or the... Unless in Ramadan, everyone has his
section.
dish
Yeah,
section.
the dish.
And then, okay, you want to learn? here your recipe, and then do it, but away from me.
Ah,
Yeah.
wow.
We all learn by ourselves. I mean, we didn't really, she never taught us anything.
Wow.
The couscous, you know, the couscous we made it from the scratch.
Yes.
I learned it like this.
By watching her.
By watching
Wow.
her.
Do you know, it's so funny, yeah, because like my grandma, she used to always tease me. She'd be like, Neri Nation, you can't even boil spaghetti. Like, she used to always say it to me. Like, even though I was like training to be a chef, guys, yeah, my grandma didn't, she was unhinged, yeah. She literally would like tease me. I couldn't even cook rice, guys. I could cook like pilaf rice, I could do risotto, but normal rice, it came out like rice pudding. It was so bad until I learnt the trick. But to be fair, Mum didn't teach me anything with Jamaican food. She's only starting to do it now.
Yeah.
It's like,
Mama didn't. And then she's really good at the cookies and sweet. Very, very good.
Wow.
Yeah. Bless her. She's still alive.
Yeah.
And saw me doing that. She was really, because everything need to be from the scratch.
Oh, for real?
For her.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, now you need to spread some butter on it.
Okay, cool.
And then I'll do this one.
Okay.
I'll finish this.
Yep.
And then we leave a little bit for decoration
Got you.
afterwards. Yeah.
Okay. So if you had like allergies, I would say you can probably do like seeds or fruits, you said, or coconut, yeah?
You can mix, maybe we'll show them the stuff in the future, how we do the making a fruit with coconut, and then do exactly baklava with the fruit and coconut inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, of course, decorating with the coconut.
Okay.
Like we're going to do that later.
Yes.
On. So we're back to you soon.
Yes. So we're going to put this in the oven for how long?
For 15 minutes.
At what temperature?
180.
180. So 180 for 15 minutes. We're going to put it in the oven and come back and we're going to decorate. Oh my God, guys. I'm so excited.
Welcome back.
I want to eat.
Now, next step, first of all, I'll cut the
pastry.
too. I don't know if we try to cut it smaller. Or,
okay, so you cut.
Yeah, like this, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Gentle.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're going to break all the
layers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this, yeah. Use the point of the yeah. I'm going to put first honey generously. We call it like this, generously.
Yes, generously.
And then easy to cut.
Okay.
And then after the cut, we decorate it because now the honey on it.
Yeah.
It's going to be easy.
Wow, it smells insane.
Okay, let me spread.
Guys, you can cut this like the size that you want. I want like medium pieces, so I'm cutting accordingly, okay?
Okay.
Oh my God, guys. If you could smell this right now, seriously. Oof.
Yeah, it smells nice. Normally we leave it set because we just put honey, and the honey need to be, when it's hot, the honey need to be cold. I mean, not warm. To put on inside the, that leave that to set.
Okay. Oh my God.
Look how, when you roll it, look how it's a lot.
I know.
It's become a lot.
Let me just put a little bit more.
Okay. No, Sammy, I need to make another one for him, otherwise I go into,
I don't even mind having lots because I actually liked it. So pretty.
No, it's enough. You put just a little bit.
I know, but I like pistachios, Auntie.
Okay, fine. Fine. I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. That looks stunning, though. We did so well, and it's so simple. That would be like £10 or some mad prices.
Yeah, and then look inside. It's really filling a lot.
Yeah.
You see how we spread the
see?
the things.
Do you see, guys? The literally the layers. That's
The
like
layers
around
is
it.
really full.
Wow.
When you roll it, you don't.
Yeah.
When you spread it, you say, "Oh, maybe it's not a lot."
Yeah.
But when you roll it and then it's cooked, and then you see the difference.
Yeah. Oh my
It's
God.
really nice.
Homemade baklava.
A really nice bit.
From our kitchen to yours.
To yours. What do you think? Crispy?
No words. Oh God. It's so nice. I can taste the onion. Oh my God.
Okay. Bye and see you soon.
Okay. So for more delicious foods from around the world, smart food shopper hacks and nutrition tips, you want to fund this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my lovely playlist. I've got so many delicious things there. See you in the next video. Bye.